What's up, everybody? So it's William TTTV, and so this is what my cat does on his first Christmas. This is Inky's first Christmas. Yeah, he's climbing the Christmas tree. A couple minutes ago, he was way up there, but I didn't realize it until the last second. I was like, shoot! Then he jumped down. See, he's like roving around. He's going nuts. So, see now he's playing with the lights. Oh my gosh, stupid cat! What the heck? What the heck? Look at him. Oh my god. Hey, Inky, get back up here. What's up here? What's up here? What's up here? What's up here? Look at him. What's up there? He's in there. Careful. Careful. This is why I never, I don't know why. See, I mean, it's just crazy. Get under view. Let's see if I can find it. Please don't jump down. Please don't. There he is. Hang on. See that again. There he is. Far out of the way. Oh, he's right there. See, he's right there above my finger. Cats these days, so weird. So, we'll see you guys next time on Liam TTCB. Peace and have a great day. Bye. Yeah, you're a good kitty, right? Yeah, good kitty. Kind of good, kind of bad.